Hey YouTube, it's Andy from AJF Reptiles, and I got another unboxing to do today. And this one comes from Patrick McKnight. They have McKnight Stables, I think it's called. And where's he out of? Let's see, Foxglove Road, Richmond, Virginia. So this one came from Virginia. And let's see what we got here. Been having some great weather lately, that's for sure. Here's the order form. McKnight Stables, yes it is. And all packed well. Everything looks good. Zip tie. Getting reckless with these scissors. Alright. Zip ties work, but they are tough to get off. Alright. There we go. Finally. Alright. So, here we go. Oh, wow. Nice. This one, this is my entrance to the Batmans. This is a leopard spot nose clown, also known as the Batman. And this is from Patrick McKnight. Thank you, Patrick. Appreciate it. It's got a really cool head pattern. Awesome. Cool belly on him. He's fairly a new hatchling. He's a male. Definitely looks great. Yeah, really cool. Leopard spot nose clown. Buddy, you're going to have some overtime in this collection. All right. So probably, I'd say by spring he'll be breeding. No problem. Beautiful looking animal. And it's looking great. All right, that's it till we have another unboxing. This is pretty cool. I just noticed. He's got this white patch right there with the cloaca. That's pretty cool. I used to notice that on boas a lot of time when I used to breed boas, but that was pretty cool. I haven't seen that before. All right, so that's it from AJF Reptiles, and have a great day.